Right, so this is the view from the hill. As you can see, it's nice and early in the morning. So I woke up due to a misfortune of yesterday. I needed to pick up my car, and you know what I thought? Why not turn this misfortune into an opportunity? So I just basically picked up my car and drove to the hill, and now here we are. So I'm just doing this video to show you the view. We live on top of the hill, and this is literally like 5 minutes walk from my home, and you can see all the harbor. You can see Old Harry Rocks further in the distance. I don't know if you can make it out or not, but I think probably on a big screen you will be able to make it out. And you can see a lot of yachts parked there in the bay area. You can see Brownsea Island right in front of you, and there's Poole Park, the lake, and there's some buildings further down there. So yeah, it was supposed to be a cloudy day today, and it was supposed to be really bad weather, but it turns out not all weather forecasts are very accurate. So, well, I don't know, it might change later on, but for the moment that's what we got, and I am pretty happy with what we've got. Temperatures around about 6 degrees, I think, from my car, but yeah, it's not too bad. So this is the current view, ladies and gentlemen, and yeah, I just thought I'll just basically come over here and then do this video, because normally the sun is right overhead, and then it's not really a good shot. So the lightning at the moment is perfect, as you can see, far and wide, giving you a nice view basically. So it's like a, you know, in photography there's a golden hour. So it's not particularly golden hour at the moment because the sun is a little bit higher than I would have liked, but yeah, it's still not like straight dead ahead, you know, on top of your head, if you know what I mean. So this is the view, and I'm just doing the video, and you can see basically the sea from here and the Old Harry Rocks. So I'm going to try to point in the movie and then see if we can locate it. So Old Harry Rocks is here, Brownsea Island is here. You can see this island, it's called Brownsea Island, and this is the Poole town center. You know, that's the lake here. There's the Poole Lake, and you can literally chill out over here if you want to. This is where I came the other day with Sarah, you know. So you can see far and wide. Looks to be a beautiful day. I was expecting today to be quite different from yesterday. I was expecting a lot more sort of cloudy day, but as it turns out, it's really nice at the moment. So yeah, quite surprised actually. It's good that I got up early in the morning, so I get to see all these nice views instead of, you know, sleeping and waking up and then realizing I missed it. So right, so that's the view from here. Now I'm gonna try to drive down there to the harbor, so we'll see what sort of views we get from there. So right, so here we are, and I'll show you the view here. Right, uh-oh. Guess what's happening? My morning alarm is going on. I was supposed to wake up this time, but I am already up. So winners wake up before the alarm. So it's been a good day, and I am up before my alarm, so that's good news. Right, so let's watch the view over here. And So this is another very, very beautiful place, really nice beauty spot, and that's how I was showing you from the top. And you can come and sit here on the bench and enjoy the view. Sorry about that. And so that's the Brownsea Island, which I was showing you from the top. And this is a harbour. This is the Poole harbour. You can see waves moving, and it's totally nature. Well, natural, I mean. Right, okay. So we'll just do a little bit of walk around, and I'll show you the view. So this is it. Really nice. It's really shaping up to be a really nice day, to be fair. I think the weather forecasters have got this one wrong. Or again, I don't know if it's going to turn in a couple of hours, because the weather here is very, very changeable. In a couple of hours you could be looking at a completely different picture, but we'll see how it sort of unravels as the day goes. So as you can see, it's only me here, not many people around this time early in the morning. And I can see ferry park there, which goes to France, right in front of you. So it's probably will be doing a sailing later on during the day. And really calm and peaceful. Still very nice and sunny. So car is parked behind me and I'm just doing the video. The tide is in. As you can see, the water is sort of splushing around. sometimes you can see a lot of fish here because it's a natural harbor, so they do come. And I'll just take a little bit of walk and see. Gives you a feel about the place, but it's really nice. The people are running here, they come for jogging in the morning, and you know, really just it's around the natural sort of harbor. There's a cyclist doing the cycling in the morning. This is the view behind us, if you can see. And this is in front of us. As I say, what lies behind you and what lies in front of you are nothing compared to what lies inside of you. So just something that came into my head this morning. Okay, this is not natural grass, by the way. Right, so you can see there's a boat moored over there.